Hey, Scott Hylton, Scott Talks. Let's close the garage door with Siri. Hey Siri, close my door. I've got an Aladdin Genie garage door. You just go in your home settings. Now you go into Genie, the Genie settings there. Okay. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open my door. Oh no, come on. Hey Siri, open my door. Well, this is bad. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open my door. You're killing me, Siri. Okay, there it is. You gotta shake my wrist. Hey Siri, there it is. Open my door. Learned something today. It was off because it was dead. Sometimes it goes to a screen where it shows some of my smart devices and then it asks if you want it to do that, and you push the do button and it opens. But there, you go into your Aladdin app, garage door app, where you've got it programmed already, and look for a Siri control and say yes, enable, and use the term open my door. All right, that's all there is to it. Bye.